Welcome to an in-depth walkthrough of Liquity, the decentralized borrowing platform redefining how crypto enthusiasts unlock their assets. Liquity allows users to deposit Ethereum as collateral and borrow LUSD, a stable coin, at an unbeatable 0% interest rate. Unlike traditional platforms, Liquity is entirely decentralized, meaning there's no central authority or governance token influencing its operations. This creates a transparent and reliable experience for users seeking liquidity without exorbitant fees or risks. To get started with Liquity, navigate to the official website and connect your Ethereum wallet. The platform supports popular wallets like MetaMask, so setup is quick and seamless. Once connected, you can deposit ETH into a trove, which is your personal vault. The deposited ETH backs the LUSD you borrow. Remember to maintain a collateral ratio of at least 110% to ensure your trove stays healthy and avoids liquidation. As a borrower, you enjoy the unique benefit of zero-interest loans. The only cost is a one-time borrowing fee, which is minimal compared to other platforms. Your borrowed LUSD can be used across various DeFi platforms or staked back into Liquity's stability pool to earn rewards. The stability pool is crucial for maintaining the system's solvency. By depositing your LUSD here, you help stabilize the platform and earn ETH and LKTY rewards as a result. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link in bonus for new users is in the description. Another standout feature is the ability to redeem LUSD for ETH directly. This ensures that the stablecoin maintains its peg to the US dollar. Liquity's fully decentralized design and efficient liquidation mechanisms provide peace of mind for borrowers and stackers alike. Take advantage of the referral link in the description to sign up and receive an exclusive bonus for new users. If you're ready to take your crypto strategy to the next level, Liquity offers the tools and flexibility you need. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button for more guides and insights on leveraging DeFi platforms.